In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Slack. Managing your availability in Slack is a simple but very useful way to let your coworkers know whether you're currently available or temporarily away. Normally, Slack automatically detects when you're active or idle based on your computer activity, but there may be times when you want to manually control that status yourself. This is especially helpful during focus time, short breaks, or whenever you want your status to reflect your availability more accurately. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign into your Slack workspace through a web browser. Once you're inside Slack, look over to the navigation sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Near the very bottom of that sidebar, you'll find your profile avatar, or in some layouts, a U button. Click on that area to open your profile actions menu. When the menu appears, look for the option that shows your current availability setting. If Slack currently sees you as active, the option will say set yourself as away. Click that option to manually switch your presence to away. As soon as you do that, Slack updates your presence indicator right away. You can confirm the change by looking at the badge next to your name in the profile area. Instead of the usual solid green circle that shows you're active, it will change to a hollow or muted ring indicating that you're away. This visual confirmation helps you quickly verify that your status has been updated successfully across your synced Slack platforms. Whenever you're ready to show that you're back and available again, the process is just as easy. Click your profile avatar one more time to open the same menu. At the top, the option will now have changed and should read Set yourself as active. Click it, and your availability will immediately switch back. The hollow ring will return to a solid green indicator, showing others that you're active again. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's also a faster way to toggle your presence without using the mouse. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Y at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Y. That can be a great time saver if you switch your availability often during the day. And that's all it takes to manually manage your availability in Slack. It's quick, easy, and a great habit to use if you want your team to have a more accurate idea of when you're available. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.